Hi everyone, my name is Mike MELLO, broker associate and co-owner at Preferred Real Estate Brokers. Today we're in Port St. Lucie, which is on the east coast of Florida, sort of in between Daytona Beach and Miami. We're going to show you this home behind me by Kolter Homes. It is called the Beverly, and the community that we're in is called Verano. It is really close to PGA golf courses with over 54 holes, and also the community itself is a lifestyle community, so it has 27 pickleball courts, a community center with fitness center, indoor pool with lap availability, saunas, outdoor resort center. It's got everything here. So if you're looking for that active adult community to retire to, this is definitely one that you want to check out. So let's talk a little bit about the home. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with 1,547 square feet of living, and the base price at the time of filming is going to be $387,990. Now keep in mind that is the base price. We are in April of 2023, and that price can change, and also it does not include the lot premiums or upgrades, so do keep that in mind. So as we come up, we do see that we have a nice paved driveway coming up to a 2-car garage, a couple carriage lights on either side, a pathway going off to the right. As we go through the pathway, we have some really nice tropical landscaping with some palm trees coming up to the front entry of the home. The entry is really nice. It's a little covered area. We have an archway coming in, and of course a step up to the front covered area. As we come up here, we have a couple windows where it has a flex room that we'll show you when we go in, and of course the door in front of us. So let's go ahead and go inside and check out this home. All right, so welcome into this home. So as I close the door behind me, the first thing that we're gonna notice is that we do have some nice ceramic tile floors going throughout the home. Over to my left is going to be the flex space. It's currently used as a game room. So they have a table, some chairs around it, some poker chips, a little bit of alcohol there. So if you wanted to use it as a flex space, you have it. You can use it as a dining room, you can use it as an office, wherever you want. What's really nice about it is as I look up, we do have it like a separated area from the family room and dining room, which is behind the camera. So as I come this direction, we're gonna show you, Haley's gonna go over by the front door and show you what you see when you come into the home. So as you come into the home, of course, we're gonna see our family room, our dining room, all the way out to the kitchen. It's a really nice long area. But before we show you all these areas in detail, we're gonna go ahead and go down this hallway. So follow me this direction, and we'll go ahead and go left and show you the garage first, just so you get an idea of what size the garage is here. If you're looking to purchase it, sometimes this is important, so we definitely wanna show you. As we walk in, we sort of have a hallway coming in, a door to the left. The door to the left is where the air handler is, but there's some extra space there for storage, and of course we have plenty of space for 2 cars, and we even have some extra space in the front for some additional storage as well. So it's a pretty nice size garage. So as we come back in, go ahead and go to the left, which will be the bedroom number 2. We have a full-size bed, couple end tables. The interior designers did some jobs with some like hockey theme, ice hockey theme. We have the darker blue color walls, which contrast really good with the lighter color walls. A window looking out on the side, and then on the other side we do have a closet as well. So follow me this direction. We'll go ahead and show you the bathroom that this one belongs to. So if we come down this direction, before we go here, let me show you a couple things first. I open up this is a linen closet, so you have plenty of space here for all your towels or whatever you might need to store there. In front of me is going to be the laundry room. So go into the laundry room, we have our washer, dryer, little shelf, and also a window for some natural light. And the bathroom, of course, is right next to that. So come to the bathroom, we have like a dark color wood cabinets, granite countertop, sink, mirror light fixture. Of course, our toilet. This one does have a tub with a little bit of tile going up as well. So let's go ahead and show you the rest of the home. Now, if you haven't done already, make sure you like and subscribe to our videos. We definitely would appreciate that. As we come over here, here is our family room. It's a nice size family room with our couch, couple little tables, and some sitting areas so you can sit here and talk, or if you want to, you can watch TV. And of course, as I look up, we have some really nice elevated ceilings, and then of course a tray ceiling that goes all the way down to the dining room. So let's go ahead and go and see the dining room. So as I come up to the dining room, which is right off of the primary bedroom suite, we do have seating for 6. And of course, we have windows on either side. We have some elevated windows for some natural light, but get you the privacy at the same time. And then right next to the dining room is going to be a kitchen. For a 1,547 square foot house, this kitchen is a nice size kitchen. So we have a center island, beautiful countertops in really dark black colors, couple seating areas for sitting and enjoying a meal, pendant lights coming down. And then as we go through, we have our refrigerator, plenty of cabinets going throughout, our range, our microwave, more cabinet space on this side as well, and then plenty going around the dishwasher and the sink. I love where the sink is located because you could be here getting your dishes done, but you get to look outside on the beautiful Florida weather. Or if you wanted to, you can go right through this sliding glass door, Sliding glass door has a covered area, currently set up for 6 people to sit around and enjoy the beautiful Florida weather as well. So really nice and convenient location right off the kitchen. So let's go ahead and check out the primary bedroom suite. As I come here, go right. Here we are in the primary suite. We do have a king size bed, a couple end tables on either side, nice elevated ceilings with the crown molding. Now on the right, we do have a walk-in closet. So let me go ahead and open there so you can go in and see what size of closet we have. And then we have right next to the closet, we do have the primary bathroom. So as it comes to the primary bathroom, we have the same dark wood colors with the nice fixtures on there. And then of course we do have the dark black countertops that match the kitchen, couple sinks, and then of course the mirror light fixtures. On the other side, we do have a shower with the frameless glass around it, plenty of space here as far as the shower goes. Tile work going up, and then we do have a window for some natural light, but it's high enough for privacy. And then of course behind me is the water closet. So that's this house. Again, it is 1,547 square feet of living, and it is available here in PGA Verano. If you're interested in this community and get more information, we do have a luxury channel as well, where we have the higher end homes. And then we also have the starter homes that start at villas here in this community. There's plenty of models to look at. So check out the description or give us a call and we can send you links to all the different homes here in this community. So until next time, take care and talk to you later. Bye-bye.